And welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be demonstrating the blueprints and how to create them. This is for the Networks plugin, which is a Slimefun plugin. So the first thing we need to do is put down a network controller. I'm doing this from scratch. If you guys already have a network controller, of course you can just use that one. And then I'm going to attach to the network controller the recipe encoder. Now this is what you will actually be creating your blueprint with. But each blueprint takes 20,000 joules of network power. Now this isn't just the regular power supply that you use. This has to be charged from capacitors that are actually on the network. To do that, I'm going to put two 10,000 joule capacitors, a quick energy regulator, and a generator. Now you of course could just simply attach these to whatever power supply you currently have running on your system. There's also a new block called the network power display. We'll pop it on here and see how much power is in the network. Now we currently have 20,000 joules, which is what we need to craft the blueprint with. Okay, today we're going to be crafting the copper wire recipe. So we put the crafting blueprint here. The recipe as it would show up in a crafter, which is 3 copper ingots right across the middle, and then hit click, and that encodes it. And you can see in the blueprint it has all 9 of the boxes filled in with what they were filled in with. This particular one is just the 3 in the middle with copper ingots for copper wire. Alright, now we will attach the network Autocrafter. If you wanted to, you could get rid of the encoder, but I just normally just leave them attached anyway. They don't take up any power when they're not in use. Now I attach the network Autocrafter and I place the recipe here. Now, nothing's happening because we haven't attached the I haven't attached any of the copper ingots yet into the network. But when it does happen, it will take 64 joules for every time the recipe runs. Currently you can see we have 20,000 joules, so this shouldn't be a problem. I'm going to attach some storage units real quick. These are just infinity storage units, not using quantum, really no need. You can absolutely use it if you want to, but just for this demo I just throw these on there real quick. Alright, so just like with any other network node, we attach it to the network. Alright, so now copper ingots should be flowing into the system. Copper wire is flowing out. If we open up the crafter, we see it's doing it 8 at a time. And if we look at our power display, we see it's dropping by 64 joules. So it's this power device is charging it up pretty quickly, so 8.5. When it gets to the end, you'll see the joules jump back up to 20,000 once it completes. Now you can do everything in this Autocrafter that you can do in the crafting table, enchanted crafting table. And I think we're done. Alright, status is back up. Plenty of copper wire. There was some copper wire in here already. I didn't run all that through. And just 1 copper ingot left over. Alright guys, that's a simple setup on how to do blueprints using the Networks plugin for Slimefun. Come visit me, mcttantrum.org. Link will be in the description. Bye.